Walking in love is not just a mere confession. It is the action that you take as a child of God. Walking in love is not just a word. It is a practical life. We heard from the beginning, we should love one another. Love without conditions. Love without looking what you get from that person. Love without the standard of this world. Love without envy or hatred. You can say, I love you, but your inside is saying something else. This is the message we heard from the beginning. We should love one another. If you, my sister, my brother, I cannot love you, then we are defeating the purpose of his coming here on earth. And we are living a rebellious life. If Christians, believers, were to be in love within the church, everyone would want to be part of that church where there's no gossiping, where there's no anger, where there's no confusion, where there's no segregation. Why? Where there is love, people of God, there is healing. Where there is love, there is unity. There is restoration. There is progress. Even in a country, when we see in our country, there's too much confusion, or in the world, too much confusion, know for sure that even progress will be disturbed. Because it is love and unity that can make everyone to be committed and do the right thing. Love is action. Love is practical.